What's going on, knuckleheads? I don't know if you can tell it or not, but it's another very windy day here in southern Illinois. But we have our very last rally video for the year. So we're going to knock it out, and this will be posted probably while I'm at Spring Fling if I can get it edited, or on my way home. So for Jersey, could not find anything. But I do have a special mention, because I try to do these multiple days. In Mount Holly, New Jersey, there is a veteran support rally being put on by the Baggers and Brews YouTube channel. I'll link their channel either up there if I can, be down in the description if nothing else. They are doing a poker run and a one-day rally type event in Mount Holly. Is Mount Holly Moose Lodge is where the rally type event will take place. They have several vendors signed up, food trucks and regular motorcycle vendors. They have a leather vendor going to be there.
Editor here. So apparently I forgot to mention it in the video. This is July 13th is when this event's happening.
This is all to benefit Tunnels to Towers. They help pay off mortgages of fallen soldiers and fallen service members. I won't just say soldiers because there's a difference. I do plan on attending that. I will be leaving out at the latest the Thursday before that, and then I have a big trip planned after that, ending at Little Sturgis, Kentucky. Now we're going to move on to Pennsylvania. In Whitehall, you have the Lehigh Valley Bikefest. It's going to be April 27th to the 28th. In Johnstown, Pennsylvania, you have the Rumble Through the Valley. And this is an inaugural rally, so obviously I'm not going to be able to find any information on it as far as, well, video clips I should say. Obviously I found something on it.
Apparently I forgot another set of dates. That rally is going to be July 20th through the 23rd.
And as always, I'll have clips posted there, I think. And I found all these rallies on cyclefish.com minus the Baggers and Brews. In Gettysburg, you have Gettysburg Bike Week. This is a decent sized event. It's going to be July 11th through the 14th. Oh, I forgot to tell you, on the Baggers and Brews, it is July 13th, so these events collide with each other. In Ole, Pennsylvania, you have the, well, I guess that's supposed to be Reading MC, Anniversary Bash, and Invitational Drags. It's going to be July 25th to 27th. This is going to be a 21 up event. In Austin, Pennsylvania, we have God's Country Biker Rally. It's going to be August 16th to the 18th. And that's going to be another 21 plus event. And That's going to close out Pennsylvania. In New York, now I don't know how it's pronounced in New York, but here in Southern Illinois we pronounce this town Cairo. You have the April Motorcycle Mayhem. That's going to be the weekend that this airs, hopefully. April 19th to the 21st. So you're going to be too late for it, my bad. I've got an idea for a way to do this video different next year. In Warrensburg, New York, you have the Warrensburg Bike Rally. It's going to be May 28th through June 4th. And I don't have any additional information. If I can find any video links, they'll be up there. In Lake George, you have the Americade Motorcycle Rally. Now, this event's been going on for a little bit. Don't ask me how long, but that's going to be May 29th through June 1st. In Alexandria Bay, you have the Thousand Islands River Run River Run Bike Rally. And that's going to be June 21st through the 24th. In Cairo, you have Catskill's Mountain Thunder Motorcycle Festival. It's going to be September 11th through the 15th. And that's going to close out New York. For Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and Vermont, I could not find anything. In New Hampshire, you have, in Laconia, New Hampshire, you have the Laconia Motorcycle Week. It's going to be June 8th through the 16th. This is going to be the 101st annual. It is the longest motorcycle rally in the States, and I think the world too, because I'm pretty sure, you know, United States invented motorcycle rallies. And for Maine, I could not find anything for Maine. And that's going to close out our Northeastern motorcycle rally video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. I'll see you guys in the next one.